Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies today, blasting on a Keihin Carburetor body. And this is after we finish processing the part. Over here on this side, this is before. And this part is hideous. Obviously, it's not as dirty as some of the things we've done before, but these parts clean up every single time. The process is repeatable. The process is also dust-free, chemical-free, much more ergonomical to operate, much more efficient to operate than traditional dry blasting systems, and use 8 to 10 times less of the consumables. That is the abrasive, the nozzles, the hoses, the gloves, the windows, the dust collection systems. They don't take up as much floor space as dry blasting systems, so on and so forth. And we have thousands and thousands of customers worldwide that is extremely happy with the vapor honing process, not just because they do things like this, but things like deburring CNC parts, prepping aluminum parts for anodizing, removing coatings, remanufacturing parts, what have you. There are processes and solutions that meet your needs. And the point of the video is to show you how drastically you can actually change a particular part such as this with a vapor honing system. If you guys have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so. Hit that button below for daily and weekly content updates such as this. Hope you guys enjoyed the fun video. As always, thanks for watching.